Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over a review of the Expensify corporate card. I've had it for a couple years now. Initially got approved for about 30,000. So I'm kind of just going to break that down, a refresh of the old video I did, I think about 2 years ago. All right. And I'll try to make this video as quick as possible. So stay tuned, watch until the end. All right. So without further ado, let's get right into it, to their website. This card is not really a card that you can carry a balance. All right. It's a corporate card, meaning it needs to be paid back every month. You set like a set payment date, like say the 25th of the month is my reconciled date, meaning everything that I charged the prior 30 days up until that, say, the 25th, that gets deducted out of my business bank account. All right. They have expense management platform that it basically comes down to, I think, $9 or $15 a month you have to pay. So there is kind of a fee to it, but I'll kind of break down about this card. It is a no personal guarantee card. All right. Let me jump over to the card here. It says Expensify card. Get up to 2% cash back and 50 control with real-time alerts, spend limits, and don't worry about credit checks, it says, annual fees or personal guarantees. So there is no personal guarantee. They do basically just look at your business bank balance. They're not caring about your personal credit at all. You do need to have money in your business bank account at the time of setting this up and applying, or else you're just not going to get approved. All right. The application process is pretty quick. I think mine was like 1 or 2 days after I set up my business bank account. So let's go over back real quick to the features here. You can set up in minutes. It only takes a few minutes. Your virtual card can be available immediately. Your physical card arrive in a few days. Now, this is the part I want to talk about. Setup monthly or daily. I don't know why many people want to set up with daily, but maybe some people do. But so you're going to get basically monthly. I would say most of you guys are going to pick that. Employees can only spend what's the money that's in your business bank account. Your company decides whether to settle your Expensify card monthly or daily. If I'm not mistaken, when you get approved or set up with your spending limit, then they will basically let you pick what day you want to have it drawn on per month. This is the part I want to kind of touch on. It says access to higher credit limits. No credit check is required, which means you get access to higher limits. All right. And I'm not going to kind of go through all the rest of this. There, you do get 1% cash back with every swipe. No fine print, no minimums, no restrictions, and 2% back if you spend 250,000 a month across all the cards. Kind of the dashboard looks like when you go to set it up, set up your account with service. I should say anything like expense management service. So like you don't have to use the Expensify card, but I would say most of you guys are wanting to get that. So you would hit get card, and then you're going to need to, it says like right here, what's country, United States, US dollar, save and continue. And then you're going to go through like the company information, requester information, beneficial owners, validate your bank account, your business bank account. And then it's going to be having a lot of these fintechs, you need to connect your business bank account. All right. And then, it's probably pretty self-explanatory at that point. But just know that your limit is going to kind of correlate what you have in your business bank account. If you only have like $1,000 in your business bank account, don't expect you to get a high limit. In fact, I wouldn't even apply unless you have like say 3 to 5,000 in your business bank account. Now that's going to probably give you access if you get approved. Then that's probably going to give you access to around whatever's in your business bank account at that time, or they could give you higher than that. I know I only had like 10 or 15,000 in my business bank account, and my dashboard it showed 30,000 limit. Okay, and I know a lot of other people on the Get Business Credit YouTube channel, viewers that watched the video I did about a year and a half, 2 years ago, they said they got approved for pretty high limits as well, more than what was in their business bank account. All right. So there's system can be a little tricky to set up initially, but you have this concierge service, and it is like AI, but then somebody will actually get back to you if you want a detailed, question answered. But I would definitely suggest you guys go and try to get this set up. Um, I know it may not be for everybody, but I've used it quite a bit. And what it can help you with is like say 10, 20,000. That might be able to help you, grow your business even further. Anyways, with all that being said, you guys take care. I just wanted to bring this video to you, kind of a research review about Expensify. I will put the link to this page in the description below, and then you can read a little bit about it and then hit get started. Okay. I know their main clients are like, say, financial people or accountants, but you don't need to be an accountant to get it. All right. So just go through the setups, and if you have any questions at all about it, you can ask in the concierge chat section. But before you even try to apply, I would go through and do like this here. Besides that, but account details, fill out your profile fully, your email, login, add your phone number, all that. You just basically fill all this out. I know it can be a little bit confusing at first, but like it says here, enable Expensify card. And that's just going to take you back to where I was telling you before, like it says here, finish set up your bank account. Pretty much walks you through all that. All right. Yeah. I think that is it. Like I said, you're not going to have to worry about a personal guarantee at all. Sure that you set up your account fully. And then under domain, you do need to have a website domain. Your domain is abcplumbing.com. That's what you're going to want to put on your domain. When it says no domain, that's your company's domain. They're just trying to simplify everything. And then you can add members and also add in, say, your expenses, integrations, all that. A pretty robust system. I don't want to go over all that stuff because it's just too much drawn out. That's it, you guys. If you guys found this video helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again. Stay tuned for more good content. Bye-bye.